Hello and thank you for watching. This is Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is a short warm-up for advanced pianists in the key of D major. This video and the following videos are going to be just more of a run-through. So we're going to start with D major, 4 octave scales, metronome equals 90, and I'll do right, left together. So let's start with right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand. Hands together. Now we're going to move on to what's called the formula pattern scale or the grand scale. We're going to go up for 2 octaves, then out for 2 octaves, in, up, down, out, in, down. I'm going to take this one just a tiny bit slower so you can really lock in the 4 notes to a click. Just know that when you're doing this with the metronome, it might not always feel like it's lining up, but strive to go with 4 notes per click. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Up, out, in, up, down, out, in, down. Our next category is arpeggios. We're going to do only hands separately for this video. We'll go through root, first and second inversions, metronome at 90 with triplet subdivisions. Let's start with the right hand, and fingering for this inversion is going to be 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1. Ready, go. Right hand, I'm moving down so I don't run off the screen. First inversion starts with a black key, so we're going to use finger 2 for that. 2, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand, 4, 2, 1. Ready, go. Then right hand, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 4. I think I'll do 1, 2, 4. Second inversion. Left hand, 5, 3, 2, 1. Ready, go. Our next category for the warm-up is chord progression or cadence chords. These are familiar chord positions in a key. So we're going to start with root position, both hands. Fingering, there's a few options, so just do what works best for your hand. We're going to start with root position D, D up to the 4 chord, G, back down to 1, down to 5, A major, add the 7th, 5, 7, 1. Now we're going to move to first inversion. Same chords, different positions. Here we go. And D up to G, back down to D, 1, down to 5, A, and then you can either add the 7th or you can pop up and just have a 3-note chord. I think that's what's pictured. And back down to D. Now finally, second inversion, D, D, up to G, which is 4, back to D, down to 5, add the 7th, either full 7th like this or just 3 notes without the E, and back to D. Next category, we have broken and blocked 4-note inversions in tonic. Tonic is your 1 chord, so it's a D chord. We're going to do these at 90. So you're going to try to create little circles with your hands as you do them. Right hand first. 1, 2, ready, go. together. I'll do it two ways, by the way, close and far. Ready, go. Next, we're going to do chromatic scales. Fingering is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 octaves up and down. Hands separately only. Forte, then piano with both hands. Let's start with the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Forte. Piano, get your wrist a little higher for the piano. Left hand. Piano. All right, that's it. D major warm up. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. You can also share with people who might enjoy this type of teaching, or even donate directly through PayPal or through YouTube. You can do these donations, which are called super thanks. If you look at the video, on the bottom, you'll see things like share, save, etc. Then the 3 dots. And if you click those 3 dots, you can do super thanks. Any increment is welcome. It helps me bring this type of teaching to people all over the world. You wouldn't believe the emails I get from everywhere. It's so exciting to me. So thank you so much for your support. And please continue to let me know where you're from in the comments. I just love to know that. So tell me where you're practicing the piano. As always, thank you for watching.